Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal, from CSE department. Today we are going to learn about static website and dynamic website. What is static website? Static website, we can say static web pages are essentially pre-built HTML files. And the static website is made up of web pages which created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All the examples of web development languages, each page of static web page are stored in a single HTML file which is being delivered directly from the servers to the web pages exactly as it is. This content essentially becomes a part of design on your web page and won't change unless the original HTML files is edited at the code level. In the static web pages, you can also say what is the content, like content, server side processing, and the examples like simple informational websites, portfolios, and landing pages being involved. The pros is like it is faster loading times are there, simpler to manage, and generally it is more secure. Cons are like lacks of interactivity and the personalization of the experiences being lacked. But on the let's continue with the dynamic pages. It is built. Dynamic pages are being built using server-side language and the technology. Dynamic web pages allows for the content of each of the page to be delivered and displayed dynamically or on the fly according to user behavior and or you can say user generated content. With the dynamic websites, all your data and content are organized in a database or backend content management system, CMS, which connects your website pages. The way this information is being arranged and connected to your sites design controls how and when its content be relieved on a web page. So dynamic web page also contains like contents changes based on user time, location, and other factors. Server side processing, it requires some server languages, which is PHP, ASP, .NET, etc. Then the pros are the offers the interactivity is there and the personalization and the real-time updates can be done. The cons are it can be slower due to the load due to server-side processing. So the basic difference is in the web static website, it is easy to build, cheap to host, and fixed content. It includes HTML and CSS, whereas the dynamic web page is little too hard to build. It is costly than static web page website to host and easily added the content by their own. So this is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe.